Peeps, I had uploaded a video looking at a situation where two white artists, one from the UK named X-TREME and the other one, I'm not really sure where him come from. Him accent sound English as well. Chimed in with the whole Vendetta, Unruly / Gaza feud. And I said, I never really know much about them, you understand? But the one that I thought was the more polished and who sound like them can really and truly make a solid move in the dancehall space is the one called X-TREME from Birmingham in the UK. You understand what I say? So I will be looking at him a little bit closer, trying to find out or to help you to understand a little bit more about him, to see who is this X-TREME fellow and what he's about and what are his dreams and aspirations as it relates to him and the music, and the links, them are connections them have to the music or in the music so forward. It says, white British DJ goes viral. X-TREME says Bounty Killer is his mentor. Caucasian dancehall artist X-TREME recently went viral on social media for his new freestyle in which he fired lyrical shots at some of dancehall artists. And mostly Alkaline, he fire shot them after. Like, I'm afraid to talk. I want to, man. It says the lyrics in the freestyle also saw the England-born DJ tackling the controversial issue of skin bleaching, noting that he does not have to temper with his skin tone since he was born white. Hey. The freestyle video, which was premiered on Instagram, racked up thousands of views and was met with rave reviews from persons who were impressed with the non-Jamaican's lyrical skills and his ability to speak patois with a near authentic accent. Speaking with the star yesterday, X-TREME, who was making his way to the BBC radio for an interview, expressed that his life changed within minutes of going viral. He also revealed that he has only been to Jamaica once in his life. The irony there says very striking, you know, peeps, because someone talk about that. It says, overnight stardom. I grew up in England, but dancehall is in my blood. I have only been to Jamaica one time, and I've been DJing for 1 year now. But the music in me from a long time, he said. DJ also revealed that his overnight stardom was unexpected. I just voice it and make the video release. I never expect it to go viral, but it just take the world by storm. Since its release, enough call me start get for bookings and interviews, he said. X-TREME also referred to the legendary dancehall artist Bounty Killer as his mentor. He also revealed that he is a member of Alliance Next Generation UK arm, ANG UK. ANG UK is directly affiliated with Rodney, Bounty Killer. We represent the UK side, and Rodney's family, his manager Shrimpy, chimed in. The DJ also highlighted that despite his quick rise to fame, his music is nothing to be taken lightly, as he intends to embark on a professional career. I am the brand new face of dancehall. Are you really? I consider now brand new talent. Well, probably something people never see in their life. Well, true. Fans should support because I am a genuine youth with good lyrics and the flow them tight, he said confidently. X-TREME also said he hopes to collaborate with Bounty Killer. Following the upload of the now viral freestyle video, X-TREME's Instagram page grew from 500 followers to 10,000 in 2 days. The man will copyright him thing long time. I don't even say copyright still. You understand? So I use it on my thing still. You understand? It's just that he copyright a way where you know really mess with my thing still. Man has a respect for that X-TREME. You never got X-TREME with the thing. You understand? And we appreciate that. Is it X-TREME? So forward.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
Peeps, as I telling you before in the previous video, I don't know enough about X-TREME to make a fair and objective assessment of his talent and his capability and his potential. You understand? I not even know so the boss have links with the warlord, the dancehall, Godfather. You see me? I say. So if Killer believes they have talent, then look here, anybody where Killer say have talent in my eyes, me no question that. Because Killer demand them with it. You see? So the X-TREME youth, the man thing blew up extremely quick. Pun intended, eh? We're gonna watch and see what go on. We're gonna watch and see if it's just a one-off thing. We're gonna watch and see if he can use that newly found energy to push himself in the dancehall space and eke out a niche for himself. You understand what I say? But don't tell him already say people are intrigued and curious because of his accent and because of his complexion. No, nobody come tell me say that a part of it. That's a part of the intrigue that come with the man. You understand what I say? That's a part of the package. So people are automatically gravitating towards that already. So I could see if him have anything can back up that or follow up this zine. So we're gonna watch it closely in a piece because me curious about his progress and movement from here on for a couple of reasons. You understand what I say? Some of those reasons people might know already. But me I watch and see what go on because I have a few theories about a few things still, but I talk about a couple of them in the previous video, but I'm going to watch and see piece. So I give him an opportunity to prove himself and make us see what him really offer and when really make up outer. You understand what I say? So X-TREME, yo, your thing build me general, not really build it a build. You understand? Zine, so just use the opportunity and make the most out of it and see where it can carry. You understand what I say? As I done telling already, based on the two video clips, him and the next one, I done telling say X-TREME sound the more polished of the two, and him seem like somebody who would be able to really hold him on in the dancehall space. So I could see if him can really do that now. So peeps, we are like so. You understand? We're extremely curious in what X-TREME will do. Zane? Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.